video how to delete marketplace messages on your Facebook. So let's get started. First thing first, open your Facebook account. Then you can see there is marketplace option available in the bottom. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see message option available in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that again and you will get to view all the messages you have done. So basically you cannot delete all the messages from the Facebook, so you'll have to go to the Messenger in order to delete this text. So now go to the Messenger. Now in Messenger you'll get to see marketplace option available there, and if you don't see it, then you can also tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top left corner. Then tap on the marketplace. Then all you have to do is slide the text you want to delete and tap on the more, then tap on the delete, and all your messages will be deleted at once. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.